the second lecture. Here I am going to deal with how to design a particular curved beam depending upon the cross section what you have told. Okay, say when you see a given problem, okay, first of all recognize the type of cross section. I am considering here two types of cross section. One is mainly the rectangular cross section and other is the circular cross section. And when I tell, see, first of all, always the neutral axis lies to the right of your centroidal axis. First of all, mark that. Okay, afterwards this may be your dimensions what you are taking into account. Okay, first of all, the line of action of the force is supposed to be reference axis. Now it is the time to mark the important parameters, and how to mark that I'll just let you know and explain. Okay, first of all, you can see here this is the inner fiber and this is the outer fiber. Okay, the distance of the inner fiber to the reference axis is called as Ri. Okay, the distance of the reference axis to the outer fiber is called as Ru. Okay, the third, the distance of that particular this neutral axis, this particular reference axis with respect to the centroidal axis is called as Rc. The distance of this reference axis with respect to neutral axis is called as Rn, and the difference between Rc and Rn is called as your eccentricity E. Okay, let Ci be the distance of that particular inner fiber with respect to neutral axis, and CO be it is nothing but the distance of the outer fiber with respect to neutral axis. Okay, and these dimensions have been taken with respect to the reference axis, and reference axis is the line of action of your force. Okay, coming on to the next cross section, I'll take the circular cross section. In circular cross section, we are taking the diameter. In the same way, the distance of the this particular reference axis with respect to the inner fiber is called as Ri. Outer fiber with respect to reference axis is called as Ru. Okay, see, when I tell this particular the distance of the centroidal axis with respect to reference axis is called as Rc, and the distance of this particular reference axis with respect to the neutral axis is called as Rn, and the difference between Rc and Rn is called as the eccentricity E. However, the distance of the neutral axis or the inner fiber with respect to neutral axis is called as Ci, and the outer fiber or the with respect to neutral axis is called as CO. Okay, the same dimensions, the same parameter has to be followed irrespective of the type of your particular cross section. Hence, while solving criteria is to identify the type of cross section, and with respect to the cross section and the dimensions, first of all make a sketch of all the parameters what I have told, and this will be the initial step, and after that I will go for the third lecture wherein you are going to learn how to solve a problem. Okay, thank you very much.